Bigong makapagpiyansa kahapon ang kampo ng Peanut Gallery Media Network o PGMN founder at CEO na si Franco Mabanta kasama ang 4 na iba pa. Ito'y matapos silang maaresto ng mga tauhan ng National Bureau of Investigation dahil sa umunay pangingikil ng nasa 300 million pesos kay dating House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Ayon sa legal counsel nito na si Attorney Bernice Piñol Rodriguez, ginagawa nila ang lahat ng legal remedy para sa pansamantalang kalayaan ni Mabanta.
I don't want to say anything and preempt our moves, but we are exhausting every possible legal remedy available just to ensure that the case will be dismissed and that our clients will be released as soon as possible.
Dagdag pa ng abogado, bagamat may inirekomenda ng halaga ng piyansa ay hindi pa rin nakalaya si Mabanta dahil sa mga requirement na kailangan pa nilang ayusin.
The bail that was pegged was 120,000 per person. So there are a lot of regulatory and mga reportorial, mga paperworks. It really made us so busy the whole day, super busy the whole day. But we understand this is part of the process, and so we're just gonna go through everything, and we are very optimistic still.
Sinabi pa ng abogado na nasa maayos namang kalagayan ang 5.
Oh, they're very good. They're very good. So we spend a lot of time together as a team, and they're in high spirits. I admire their strength. Yung mental fortitude nila is something else. So yeah, I'm very happy about that.
Posible naman na umabot hanggang sa Lunes ang pananatili ni Mabanta sa NBI Detention Facility. Samantala, ipinatatawag na rin ng NBI ang isang PGMN anchor na si Camille Jensen CJ Hero sa darating na Lunes, May 11 ng alas 10 ng umaga. Sa naunang pahayag ng NBI, itinuturing nilang person of interest si Hero dahil sa pagkakasama nito sa affidavit ng complainant. Sa ngayon ay wala pang pahayag ang PGMN at si CJ Hero patungkol sa sabina ng NBI. Benedict Samson, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.